Hare Krishna. So today we'll be looking at some of the stats which are compiled for today's match between Punjab Kings and Kolkata Knight Riders. So this is the match which is going to be played at Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. We do not have much data for this match, for this ground available because it is a newly built stadium and I think the pitch is also laid newly. But still, there were actually 12 matches totally. There were 12 matches which were played at this newly constructed stadium, 7 from the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy and 5 from the recently concluded India versus England matches. So first we'll look at the India versus England series for some stats. So here we can see that the team batting first. What are the stats for the team batting first? They have made 808 runs of bat and extras were 45, so the total runs were 853 from 5 games, so the average comes down to 170.6 or 171 if we round it off, and the run rate would be 8.53. For the power play, the score of bat was 433 and the extras were 29, so the total power play score in this 5 games was 462, and so the run rate comes down to 7.7 runs per over. So we can expect the power play score to be in the coming matches to be 6 into 7.7, 46.2, around 40, 47. So what happens in the middle overs? Let's see the scenario there. The middle overs are from over number 7th to 15th. The total 9 overs. So the total runs scored in this series between India and England was 751 off bat and 37 extras. So it comes down to 788, and the run rate would be 8.75, and the average score we can expect is 78.75 or 79 runs in the middle phase. So what happens in the death overs? Death overs are the last 5 overs of the match. The runs scored in the death were 403 and 19, so 422 in all, and we'll take the average. So the total number of overs in the death were 50, 5 for India, 5 for England, so 10, and in multiplied by 5 for 5 matches, 50 overs. So the run rate in those overs, in the death overs, comes down to 8.44. So these were some of the team statistics we found out. Let's see some individual statistics. KL Rahul. KL Rahul didn't have a very good series. The India-England series recently concluded. His scores were of 1, 0, 0 and 14 in 4, 6, 4, 17 balls. Not very good. But I think his average in T20s is around 45. So the law of averages might just catch up and he might score maybe 100 today. But as I said earlier, this video is this video is recorded after the first innings of Punjab got over, so their score was 123. So KL Rahul surely didn't score 100 today. Morgan, what about Morgan? Eoin Morgan scored 33 runs in that series. He got to bat thrice. His scores were 28, 4 and 1 in 26 and 4 balls. So they are not very good. Let's see what he does today for his team. So these were the stats from India versus England series. And let's see what about the IPL. The IPL matches there, the last match of IPL at Ahmedabad was in 2015, the old stadium. But the stats won't be much relevant today, I guess. But still, for the sake of curiosity, we'll see how the stats stack up. So let's see what are the stats over there. So actually, I compiled the stats of the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy also. So what has happened in the Syed Mushtaq Ali matches plus 5 India versus England, total 12 matches. So the batting team, the team which batted first won 4 games, and the team which batted second won 8 games. The average first inning score was 151.75, 152. The average score just dropped down a bit because earlier we saw that the average score between India and England was, for the first innings, was 170 around, and this is 151.75 because the Syed Mushtaq Ali matches, quite a few matches were low scoring in Ahmedabad of the 7 matches which we played. So let's see what are the stats over here. We'll just directly jump to the individual stats over here. So KL Rahul has scored over here 18 runs. He played a match over here 7 years ago, 8th of May 2014, and he scored just 18 runs. So not a very good stats. After that, Morgan hasn't played any IPL game over here. So we'll move on. What about Gale? Christopher Henry Gale. So Chris Gale has played just a solitary match over here, and his score there was 20 runs. He played a match in 24th April on 24th April 2015. It was against Rajasthan Royals. So his dismissal was by Shane Watson. Okay, after that we have another guy here, which is from Punjab Kings, and today is filling the match. Mayank Agarwal. Mayank Agarwal has scored 17 runs over here. So, okay, he's also not faring very well. So we have another man, Krishna Kumar Dinesh Karthik. He has scored 26 runs at this venue. It was quite a long time ago. He has played this is one match in 2010, this in 2014. So whatever the dates of the match doesn't matter. What matters is his performance, and which hasn't been any good. Let's see about Dre Russ. Dre Russ has scored a single run over here. He played a match on 5th of May 2014. Moving on to Moses Hendricks. Moses Hendricks has scored 9 runs at this venue. He played a match when he was playing for Sunrisers Hyderabad in 2014. Moving on. So the dark horse really for this Punjab versus KKR match could be Deepak Hooda, because Deepak Hooda has scored 33 runs of just 16 balls in this venue. Here it shows that it's 17, but one of the balls was wide, and it also got counted here in the data set. Actually, there's a mistake in this data set. So actually, let's see what it did in those 16 balls. He hit 4 sixes, a 4, 5 singles, and 6 dot balls. So those are very commendable stats. Let's see what he'll do today. But I already know he hasn't performed today. So when did he play this match? So it was on 21st April, and then 24th of April and 14th of April. So he has played 3 matches there, and his score was 16 balls, 33 runs, which is really great. So guys, this was it for today's IPL stats, which I have found through some data sets online, and I'll be sharing with you uh, through this whole IPL season whatever sports analytics and machine learning I'll be learning. Cricket analytics, actually, what I'll be learning, and I'll be applying various machine learning techniques also, and I'll be using data visualization and analysis for this IPL season. I'll be sharing with you every single day the analysis of this IPL season. And if you got any value from this video, please like it. Thank you.